Hi, my name is Karen, and this is what we're going to be making in crafts today. It is a leaf bowl, and as you can tell, it's made out of leaves. It's a nice thing to use during the holidays because you can put any number of things in here, especially candies that are in wrappers. You have to remember that it has Mod Podge on it, so you can't do anything that's like you couldn't put fruit in it or something like that. But anything else, and it's a fun, easy craft to make. I'll show you how you do it. For your leaf bowl, you're going to want to choose a bowl the size that you want to have your leaf bowl. And you can make it any size that you want. You're going to take that bowl, make sure you put the saran wrap underneath it, and then you're going to cover it with saran wrap. When you're covering it, keep in mind that you want to do as smooth as you can. So you're going to put it on, and you're going to put it on just as smooth as you can put it on all around. One of the things that you can do before you put it on, is if you want, is you can dampen your bowl just a little bit, because the saran wrap will fit a little bit smoother if you do that. Once you get your saran wrap on, you're going to decide how you're going to put your leaves on. A tip on your leaves. I personally like the leaves that are sold by Dollar Tree. You get them for $1, of course. You get 50, and they are the perfect leaves to use. They do not have the veins on the back. If you notice, these leaves have that veining, that plastic veining on the back. If they have that veining on the back, you're going to have to take it off, because you need to have your leaf so that it doesn't have this plastic vein on the back. All right, let's get started on our leaf bowl. We get our Mod Podge. We start out and remember that what you put on first is going to be what you see. So you want to do your arrangement there. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with these leaves, and I'm going to have them in sort of a circular pattern. The yellow leaves are going to be sort of in a circular pattern. And after I get them in their pattern, then I'm going to want to put Mod Podge on top of it. Because I have a little hole here, I'd like to use a little bit of tissue paper and fill in places where I don't have the leaves. It saves you money on leaves, but it also holds things together better. So I'm going to put a little piece of tissue paper in the middle. Remember, you won't be seeing this, you'll be seeing what you have on the bottom. And then you want to go around and do your next layer. You notice that I'm holding the leaves in place as I'm putting it on, because they will move if you don't do that. And you don't have to do them in a pattern. I mean, if you're working with a really young kid, you can just put the leaves wherever you want. But if you want to have a pattern, then you're going to want to, take a little bit of time with it. I notice that I have some nice orange ones, so I'm going to move into the orange, this color here, and I'm going to go ahead and put these around, overlapping them on the others so that they have here, but mostly where you can see them, but you overlap them. tell already that I have a hole there, so you can move them up so that you are covering all your holes. All right, now that we have this group of leaves on here, you want to make sure that you have all the leaf covered. Then you're going to go ahead at this point and add your tissue paper. And the tissue paper will fill in for any holes that you have. And you can decide what you want. Now, I have some red, but I have found that the red is really overwhelming. I would strongly recommend using the yellow and the orange as your best bets. And then you can take and you can rip your tissue paper. You don't want to have straight edges because it will not look natural. So any straight edges that you have, you want to get those off. And then what you can do is you can put your tissue paper over. And mixing the colors keep the fall theme going. See, I'm tearing off the straight edges here and then putting this one here. You look around and I see that I probably am going to need something there because it looks like I've got a little bit of a hole there. And you can be pretty casual about how you put it on. This tissue paper will provide sort of a extra firmness or sort of a body to it. And I want to have an orange color here. A body to the bowl, and also cover any holes, because when you put the leaves on you may get a few holes. And again, between each layer you go ahead and you put your Mod Podge on. Now you put your layer on that you're going to see from the outside. So what you want to do is decide what combination you want. And I think I'm going to use the green just because it's like the bottom of a flower as it's coming out and it's the green. This is what you will see when you are looking at the outside of the bowl. And this one, I didn't do that too much, but I really like it when you do that. So I'm going to do it on this one so you can see how you do it. And now this is going to be what you will see on the outside of the bowl versus the design that you put on the inside of the bowl. And again, you cover it with your Mod Podge. Now, you can continue on down and go all the way down, or you can have a smaller leaf bowl. When you pull this off, you can decide whether or not you want to cut it so that it's smooth, or you could use the leaves so that you have sort of a serrated edge. And what you would do now is you would move on down, add your leaves, for your next layers. And like I said, you continue all the way around. When you get your leaf bowl done, you need to let it set for probably about 2 days. I found that it just really needs 48 hours. When it's dry, you peel the saran wrap off your bowl, and then you pull the saran wrap off the inside of your bowl that you have here, and you will have your leaf bowl. Then you can decide how you want to finish it. Like I said, you may want to have leaves that are showing. You can put these leaves on after you take it off and glue them on, or you can try to use it when you have them on. It's easier to wait if you want to have leaves that are up, to put them on after it's dry and just glue gun those. The other option is to take some sort of ribbon and take the ribbon and glue gun it on so that you have an edging, which makes it nice and smooth and a little more professional looking. I hope you enjoy making your leaf bowls and have a lot of fun with them during the holidays.